What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. And today we're working on this Troy Bilt 4-cycle edger. The problem is the pull rope is broken. This is not going to be an easy fix. Here is a comparison of the old rope versus the new rope I'm going to replace it with. First, remove the 3 screws holding this plastic cover over the belt. Next, remove the belt from the clutch drum by pushing down on the tensioner. Then, remove the 3 screws holding the engine to the frame. And at this point, we can now move the engine away from the frame. Then we can remove the 3 screws holding the front cover to the rear cover. At this point, you can go ahead and remove this plastic spacer as well. Using a power tool, remove the screw and the washer holding the clutch drum and carefully remove it and the 2 washers under it. Next, we need to remove the spark plug so we can feed some rope into the combustion chamber. This will help lock up the engine so we can remove the clutch assembly. I'm going to use this screwdriver to find out when the piston is all the way down in its stroke before feeding the rope in. No special tools here, only an adjustable wrench and a channel lock to help turn it. Now we can spin the clutch assembly off along with a very large washer. We can now finally remove the 4 screws holding the recoil cover to the engine. Next, remove the 3 screws holding this metal ring to the recoil assembly. Now remove what's left over of the old rope from the recoil assembly. Next, line up the recoil hole to the pull rope eyelet and feed the new rope through both. Now pull out some of the rope and tie a simple knot. Get rid of any extra bit of rope and tuck it away into the recoil assembly. Then move the rope into a notch on the pulley. This will allow you to turn the whole assembly in a clockwise direction. Do this several times. Check to make sure that the recoil works just fine, and if it is working fine, let's go ahead and reinstall everything. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.